Popular vegetarian dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnamese cuisine is known for its fresh and vibrant flavors, with a focus on herbs, vegetables, and spices. Vegetarian dishes are abundant in Vietnamese cuisine, making it an excellent choice for those following a plant-based diet. In this article, we will explore some of the most popular vegetarian dishes in Vietnamese cuisine. Pho Xay, vegetarian pho pho is a traditional Vietnamese soup that is typically made with beef or chicken broth. However, there is also a vegetarian version called pho xay, made with vegetable broth and tofu. The soup is filled with rice noodles, bean sprouts, and a variety of herbs and spices. It is often served with a side of lime wedges, chili sauce, and hoisin sauce, which can be added to taste. Goi cuan, fresh spring rolls. Goi cuan, also known as fresh spring rolls, are a popular Vietnamese appetizer that is often served as a light and refreshing snack. The rolls are filled with a variety of fresh vegetables, such as lettuce, cucumber, and carrot, as well as herbs such as mint and cilantro. They are often served with a peanut dipping sauce, which adds a sweet and savory flavor to the dish. Bánh xèo, Vietnamese pancake. Bánh xèo is a savory pancake that is made with rice flour and turmeric powder. The pancake is filled with a variety of ingredients, such as bean sprouts, mushrooms, and tofu, and is often served with a side of fresh herbs and lettuce leaves. To eat, you wrap the pancake in a lettuce leaf and dip it in a sweet and sour dipping sauce. Cơm xay, vegetarian rice. Cơm xay, or vegetarian rice, is a popular dish in Vietnamese cuisine that is often served as a main course. The dish is made with steamed rice, which is then topped with a variety of vegetables, such as carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, as well as tofu or seitan for protein. The dish is often served with a side of sweet and spicy chili sauce. Con chua xay, vegetarian sour soup. Con chua xay is a traditional Vietnamese soup that is known for its sweet and sour flavor. The soup is made with a vegetable broth and is filled with a variety of vegetables, such as okra, tomatoes, and pineapple, as well as tofu or seitan for protein. The soup is often served with a side of steamed rice. Bánh mì xay, vegetarian bánh mì. Bánh mì is a popular Vietnamese sandwich that is typically filled with meat. However, there is a vegetarian version called bánh mì xay, which is filled with a variety of vegetables, such as pickled carrots, daikon radish, and cilantro, as well as tofu or seitan for protein. This sandwich is often served on a French baguette and is topped with a variety of sauces, such as mayonnaise, soy sauce, and chili sauce. Bún chả giò xay, vegetarian vermicelli noodles with spring rolls. Bún chả giò xay is a popular Vietnamese dish that is made with vermicelli noodles, fried spring rolls, and a variety of fresh vegetables, such as lettuce, bean sprouts, and cucumber. The dish is often served with a side of sweet and sour dipping sauce, which adds a tangy flavor to the dish. Ca tim nuong, grilled eggplant. Ca tim nuong, or grilled eggplant, is a simple and flavorful Vietnamese dish that is often served as a side dish. The eggplant is grilled until it is soft and smoky, and is then topped with a variety of fresh herbs, such as mint and basil. The dish is often served with a side of soy sauce or chili sauce. Bánh cuan xay, vegetarian steamed rice rolls. Bánh cuan xay is a vegetarian version of the traditional bánh cuan, which is typically filled with pork and mushrooms. The vegetarian version is filled with a variety of vegetables, such as carrots and mushrooms, and is often served with a side of soy sauce or chili sauce. Ca riche, vegetarian curry. Ca riche is a vegetarian version of the traditional Vietnamese